Hi guys, I'm Jigar Bagela. Welcome back to CAD Design channel. Since couple of sessions, we have been started modifying feature. Till now we have seen extend, trim, split, offset and scale function. Now we will continue our session of modifying feature, but today we will discuss move, copy and rotate command. So let's begin the session. Go to the part mode. Select right click, make new sketch, select any plane to sketch. Let me draw one geometry, select right click and 2-point rectangle. Select first point and another point. Let me draw another geometry, select center point circle. Let us start with move command. Now, if I wanted to move this rectangle from this place to another place, then go to the move command in this modifying tab, select move. Now, this select button was highlighted. That means you can select any geometry. So, move the left click and drag the cursor like this. Now you can see here, this geometry was highlighted in a dark blue color. That means it was selected. Now select this base point. That means from which point you will move this geometry. Select this base point. You can select any base point. You can select this point, or these 2 points. I will select this point to move. Select and move the cursor anywhere on this graphical window. But I wanted to move this cursor at the center of the circle. So move the point here. Now you can see existing geometry move from existing place to another place. Let me introduce another modifying feature. Here you can see another rectangle. If I wanted to copy from this place to another place, then go to the copy. Select this geometry. Go to the base point. This time I will select this point for copy. Select this. Now you can select another point from where you want to copy this object. Let me select this point, the upper point of the earlier rectangle here. And done. Now you can see here in copy, the existing geometry will remain at its original place and the same geometry will move from another place. While in the move command, that parent geometry will be replaced from its original place to another place. So there is a difference between move and copy. Let me introduce another modifying feature. Create a line, select first point and another point and then OK. I have drawn one horizontal line. If I wanted to rotate at some degree, then go to the rotate command in the modifying tab and select this geometry line. Now here you can see center from which point you wanted to rotate. So select here and select point of rotation. You can select this point or this end point. I will select this point for rotation. Apply yes. Now, if you move the cursor in counterclockwise direction, then see the value highlighted in this in the box angle. It was increasing. Let me show you another. Just see here. If I will move this cursor in counterclockwise direction, then value will going to increase. For example, I will write down the value of rotation 30 degree. Now, this horizontal line was rotated by 30 degree. If you wanted to check the angle of rotation, I will draw this horizontal line and go to the dimension of angle. That means it was perfectly rotated by 30 degree. Let me show you another thing in rotate command. Create a line. So the first point and second and make it OK. Now go to the rotate select this line for rotation, select center. Now here you can see here one window, we have one copy command. It was not highlighted, it was not checked. Now click on this copy. Now select this first point of rotation. If you go in counterclockwise direction, then value will be increasing. But this time I wanted to rotate in counterclockwise direction. Now here we have to write down negative value for clockwise direction. For example, I will write -20 and then apply. Now you can see here the parent geometry will remain as it is, but it was rotated with copy by given dimension. Check this value 20 degree as we have given the dimension of rotation. So this is how rotate command will perform. I hope you have learned very well how move, copy and rotate command will perform. Hope you enjoy the video. Bye.